You just gonna let her color her hands like that?
Oh shit. You think I'm playing with kids? I'm burning calories. I give her bread. She needs to fatten up for the winter. You should drink it if... Are you peeing right now?
What are you doing?
I'm giving them candy. Don't look. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We gotta go when we hear the ding, when we hear the singing, we out.
My baby's sleeping now.
Oh shit, my bad. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad again. Are you trying to clean? Cheers. And let them know we faded.
Oh.
I work hard so I can get you little stuffed animals from Etsy with your name on them. Good soup. Give me your money! You ain't got none. Does she elongate like a cat?
If I hit anyone, it's not my fault first.